There are three major persons or roles that you should be aware of. The first one is a ship security officer. The second one is a company security officer. And the third one is a port facility security officer. Every ship has its own dedicated ship security officer. And every ship or ships has its own dedicated company security officer. On the other hand, every port or ports has its own dedicated port facility security officer. So on the left side is one company, on the right side is another company. Before a ship enters a port, ship security officer will be in touch with the port facility security officer. And if there's any big issues or something, even a company security officer will be in touch with the port facility security officer.